Friends, when we talk about the salespeople and the sales professional, it is said generally that the sales professional must take care of their personality and their grooming, especially when they are meeting the customer. Why it is so is because when you meet the new person, he actually starts making the impression about you. The first impression is very, very important. It has been found that during the first 30 seconds, the customer actually starts building about the impression like the economic level, the educational level, the social level, or the level of the sophistication, or the level of success. Also, it has been found that within 4 minutes, people decide your trustworthiness, your reliability, intelligence, capability, friendliness, and confidence. So, it is important that when you are meeting some new person the first time, you must take care of your ABC. Yes, friends, what is ABC? A means your appearance, means the way you are dressed and the way you are groomed. And B means your behavior, your civility, your etiquettes, and your attitude. Your attitude and your civility and your behavior actually matters a lot when you are talking to somebody the first time. And third one is the C. C is about your communication. The way you talk, the way you listen, the way you communicate in writing through the email or the WhatsApp messages. All these things create an impression about you. And mind you that the first impression is long lasting. You never get the second chance to make the first impression. So next time when you are meeting some new customer, some new vendor, or maybe meeting your new boss, make sure that you are creating a great first impression by following the ABC: the appearance, the behavior, and the communication. All the best.